Hello ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Khalid Masood Kareem. In this weekly video tutorial, I will share technical aspects and techniques of top volume leaders of the Karachi Stock Exchange. It is not a recommendation to buy or sell. The Karachi Stock Exchange 100 Index closed at 45,837 level on 5 March 2021. The weekly closing is contained within the projected weekly pivot zone spreading from 45,605 to 46,906 levels. The weekly resistance zone extends from 48,144 to 49,442, and the support zone extends from 43,067 to 44,369 respectively. Technically, it appears that index is likely to remain sideways, unless it closes above the resistance or support zones. The ASGARD 9 closed at 33.95 level on March 5, 2021. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 32.16. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 38.70 and 25.62 respectively. Technically, the stock is within a rising price channel. The TRG closed at 145.81 level on March 5, 2021. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 131.20. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 158.44 and 103.96 respectively. Technically, the formation of a pair of spinning candles are reflecting a resting phase. It may shrug off the current lazy behavior very soon. The BNGO closed at 9.82 level on March 5, 2021. The closing is below the weekly pivot level of 10.35. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 12.53 and 8.16 respectively. Technically, the stock is within a rectangular pattern. The GGL closed at 19.96 level on March 5, 2021. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 18.23. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 22.10 and 14.36 respectively. Technically, the stock is in rising trend after a bullish breakout. The Unity Foods has closed at 30.07 level on March 5, 2021. The closing is below the weekly pivot level of 34.26. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 39.68 and 28.83 respectively. Technically, the stock is in declining phase. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.